welcome to our big write. Hopefully you managed to finish your plan with the Smith yesterday, and today we're going to be moving on to our writing. Okay, so I've got my plan from yesterday in front of me, and I've got my piece of paper and my pen ready to go. Okay, so I'm going to start with section 1, which is who is Brig, where does he work? Okay, so yesterday on my plan I had the words isolated, bored, small room in a dull and dreary city, and I had old and dusty library. Okay, so I'm just going to get started with using my words in a dusty, dull city, and I put a comma here because I've got 2 adjectives. There lived a young boy named Brig. Capital letter because that is his name. Okay, that's my first sentence. Looking back at my plan, I know that he lived in a small room, so I'm going to start my next sentence with he spent every day. And I really like the word that we used in our plan again, that's isolated. So he spent every day feeling isolated. You could have alone. In his, I'm going to have minuscule room instead of small room. In his minuscule room within the enormous, better word for big, so you can't spell enormous, comma, I had dreary in my plan, I quite like that, dreary city, full stop. Okay, so I've only got, pause, slowly and full of despair.
Oh, very nice.
And then I'm going to have a comma because that is my sentence opener. This is my part where I'm going to think about Brig walked to the old and dusty, of some of those words from my plan. Oh, old, comma, because it's 2 adjectives. Dusty library each day where he worked. Okay, so just reading it through again. In a dusty, dull city there lived a young boy named Brig. He spent every day feeling isolated in his minuscule room within the enormous dreary city. Slowly and full of despair, Brig walked to the old dusty library each day where he worked. So looking back at my plan, I've got who is Brig, where does he work, and this. That is section 1 complete. Okay, section 2, and you don't need to write the number 1 and 2. If it helps you can, but you don't need to. It's all about finding the book and discovering the flowers. So if I look back at my plan, I've got the words dangerous, mysterious, curious, excited, smuggles at home, and the fact that he reads his book in secret. Okay, so I'm going to start a new paragraph because this is a new section. So you can either leave a line or leave a couple of lines. I obviously don't have lines, but I'm just going to start writing underneath. Okay, so I've got thoughtfully tidying, oh, that's not very straight, is it? Tidying the bookshelf. Okay, I'm really trying to think carefully about my sentence openers here. Bookshelves, because I've got more than one. When I change shelf to shelves, I take away my F and I put VES, comma. Thoughtfully tidying the bookshelves. Brig discovered a mysterious, you could have mysterious, you could have curious, mysterious book marked And then I'm going to have my speech marks. These are in capital letters because it's so important. Do not read with an exclamation mark. Now I know that he was feeling curious and excited, so I'm going to have another sentence opener. Feeling curious and... Sorry guys, a few technical issues, but we're going to carry on with the sentence anyway. So feeling curious and excited, he smuggled it home to read in secret. Okay, and another full stop. Okay, so that section 2 there is all about finding the book and discovering those flowers. Okay, so I haven't actually written too much. Each paragraph is a couple of sentences each. Okay, so maybe what we'll do now is we'll put it on the board for you, and then if you pause in a minute, you'll be able to see that. Please don't copy it. We don't want to read this 30 times. Okay, please try and come up with your own ideas and put that into your sentence. So good luck and pause us there. Hopefully you've enjoyed writing your section 1 and 2 today. And if you have a look at the weekly timetable, hopefully which you've got printed, you will have done writing section 1 and 2. Tomorrow we want you to do section 3, 4 and 5 on your own. And then on Friday, section 6 and 7 on your own. Okay, so there won't be any more videos. We don't want to give you any more of our ideas. We want to see what you can come up with. Okay, so hopefully you enjoy the rest of the week using your plan to finish your story. Good luck, guys.